How to fix allow access to camera missing. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, launch the settings application on your device over here. As you launch the settings application, scroll down and tap on the option of app. Here select on system app setting. As you do that, you can see the option of camera. So select on the camera option, and as you tap on it, here you'll be able to see different options. So these are all the camera settings. Now if you want to select for the particular app, you can just go back and then tap on permissions. Tap on permissions again and tap on the camera option. Now if you feel that you have not given access to camera on some of the other apps, you can see you can just tap on any of the app. So let me tap on Instagram and it's given access. Now there are other apps that I have not given access to camera. So let's try on one of these and tap on allow. And that's how you can fix your allow access to camera missing on different apps. You can do the same process for other apps as well. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.